Hi, good morning, friends. Welcome back to Digital Marketing Tools and Techniques. So, last couple of days we went through some YouTube tutorials on how to create and delete a YouTube channel. And today we are going to see how we can create a video with PowerPoint. Okay, how we can convert a PowerPoint presentation into a video. Actually, PowerPoint is a very useful tool when it comes to digital marketing, reporting, and other activities. So, what I'm going to show you today is how we can convert a PPT presentation into a video. So, let's see how we can do it. So, this is a sample file. So, and just we have some design ideas in this right side. You can select any of the design ideas for your presentation. So I'm clicking this one. Yeah, so type something. Wait, slide 1. Yeah, slide 1. Welcome. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to create another slide here. Okay, new slide. So yeah, I'm giving it a new design here. So here I'm giving it something, some text, some dummy text. Slide 2. Yeah, if you want to create one more slide, I'm going to do it right here. Create a new slide. Okay. I'll give another design. Okay, yeah, that's enough. Slide 3. Okay, so now we have got 3 slides. Okay, 3 slides in our PPT. So we are going to convert this PPT into a video. So let's see how we can do it. First, go to the menus on the top. You can see File, Home, Insert, so and so. Click on the files. You will see a drop down. If you come downwards, you can see an option called Export. Click on that. Yeah, when you click on Export, you can see various options like create PDF, create a video, create an animated GIF, and a couple of other options. So the option that we need to select is create a video. So you need to click here, and you can see various options like whether you want full HD, don't use recorded timing and narration. So I'm using the basic recommended options. I'm not changing anything. Then we have got the seconds spent on each slide. We have 3 slides, so we need to specify how much seconds each slide should display. So I am selecting it as 3. So total there will be 9 seconds because we have 3 slides. So 3 seconds into 3, it will be 9 seconds. Then click on the create video. Yeah, now you need to select a location for saving the file. I will be clicking on PPT, slide 1, video, video 1, PPT video 1. Okay, PPT video. Click on save. Now you can see that it will be processing here. Towards the bottom, you can see a progress bar here. The progress bar is just progressing. Just wait for a couple of seconds. Yeah, it's finished now. Now let's check that folder where we have saved the file. Yeah, it's in PPT. Yeah, the video is there. Click on that. The video will start playing. See, it's playing now in a video format. Yeah, very cool. So this is our video. So that's all for my part today. That's how we can create a video from a PowerPoint presentation. So I hope you enjoyed this video and it will be useful for you. So don't forget to like and share this video after you watch it. And also, if you have not subscribed this channel, please subscribe it now and click on the bell icon so that you will get further notifications whenever I upload new videos. So till I come with my next video, please stay tuned. Bye. Have a great day.